in the McGuffey birthplace in Greenfield Village. We're showing you the year 1803, and I'm going to show you how to make some carrot fritters. So I'm going to start by cutting off the tops of the carrots, and then after I'm done with that, I'm going to scrape all of these to remove the outer skin and to remove any dirt before boiling. The interesting thing about carrots in 1803 is that they were all different colors. They weren't just orange like a lot of varieties today. Next, we're going to put our scraped carrots into boiling water to soften. So now that the carrots are cooked, I'm going to mash them like I would a squash or a potato. We're going to mash the carrots until they're smooth. I'm going to add 2 eggs per carrot into the bowl and then mix thoroughly until it's all incorporated together. Now that the carrots and egg are thoroughly mixed, I'm going to add a little nutmeg using my tin grater. After the nutmeg has been added, I'm going to add a little bit of flour, a handful of flour, to my batter. And then I'm going to add some sugar to sweeten. I'm going to mix them well together, and you want almost a pancake consistency for your batter. I'm going to add a little splash of milk as needed to get the right consistency. Grease the hot griddle with lard. Next, I'm going to fry the carrot fritters. And here are our finished 1803 carrot fritters.